Finally, I just signed up to Chuze Fitness. After 1 year of no activity, I have to start off with the sauna because look at all those benefits that it has for your mind, body, and soul. Definitely gonna be here. Let's jump right in. I can already feel the heat of the dryness in here. Loving it already. I haven't sit down, just doing a tour. I'm gonna definitely be here as many days as I can during the week and doing some push-ups while I'm at it. Next thing in my rules was to be part of a steam room because I was an ex-smoker, cigarettes and butt. Let's jump right in. I could already feel the steam in here. This is nice, what I wanted. I could already feel the heat going through, absorbing my body. I'm already sweating. Hi guys, I'm Esteban Yepez and I believe in fitness. Definitely gonna be a place for me to hang out after work. The steam room is great for detox and many other benefits. In this fitness world that we live in,